Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's a new project I picked up today. It's John Deere AMT 600. Got it for $100. Doesn't have a motor in it. This is the way we just rolled it off the trailer right here. I don't know the full story on it. A guy I bought it from got it from his property that he purchased. So I don't know how long it's been sitting. I don't know if any of these tires, I think these tires have tubes. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is try to air these tires up. See, it does roll, which is nice. It's kind of a funky looking machine. So I guess they call them a 5-wheeler. It's got front suspension, seats missing, and it's also missing the rear tailgate, which kind of sucks. Came with this stuff in the back. This looks like maybe part of the seat. I don't know. Came with some extension cords, some random junk. So I think the first thing we're gonna do, plan of attack, is get some air in these tires. All right, what's your guys' guess? You think they're gonna hold air? I'm hopeful. Front one's definitely got a leak in it. Those two, I don't know how well you can see that. Those two came up. See if I can get one of the back ones to come up. All right, so it looks like the back tires all might hold air. Well, kinda. This front one definitely doesn't. So I think I might just fill them with slime, the tire slime. I mean, it's really not worth it to put all new tires and tubes onto this thing. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Don't know if I'm gonna try to put another motor in it or not. These are supposedly a hydraulic lift. That's kind of why I wanted it. So let's clean all this stuff out of the back, and I'm gonna roll this closer to the barn. Now that I can probably move it a lot easier with some air in these tires. Looks like the gas tank's in the back. It's got two big disc brakes, mechanical style. I don't see a brake lever anywhere. Still got the key to it. Huh. But someone ripped the motor out of here. Who knows how long ago and who knows why. Yeah, these tires are, that one's holding air. That's good. They're all shot. They're all dry rotted. Oh, the inside of that brake's missing on that side. Hold on, let me turn this compressor off real quick. So it's a little rougher than I was thinking. I'll see if I can get a picture of the Facebook Marketplace ad up, and then I can show you what it looked like. It looked a little better. I thought it had the tailgate. That's missing. Looks like somebody put these homemade sides on there. So let's clean all the stuff out of here. I don't think I'm gonna save that. Here's a belt to something. It's not to this. Looks like to a snowmobile or something. So seat's missing, obviously. I don't know if there's a date somewhere on these. I don't know much about these. This is actually my first thing like this. It's like a, I don't know what you'd call it, a 5-wheeler. So let's get this back cleaned out, and then we'll open it up and take a look in there. I don't know what this is to. I might save this. It's like a wiring harness to something. I'm gonna save that just in case. This is cut, so it's obviously garbage. Should I save this backrest? Let me see. It's made out of wood, so I could probably remake one. Yeah, I'll keep that. Let me go get a shovel to shovel all this out. I've been wanting to build a trailer for my quad, so worst case scenario, I cut this thing in half and make it a trailer. It's probably worth at least $100 in scrap. It's pretty crusty though. Alright, that should be good enough. Good enough for me. Alright, let's go ahead and see if we can open this dump bed. These are supposedly hydraulic, which was really cool. I watched some other videos on them. And I don't see any hydraulics in here. Let me get a board or something to prop this up. All the hydraulic stuff's supposed to be right there, and it's all missing. Somebody nabbed those. Doesn't look like it's in horrible shape. This thing's pretty heavy. Let me find something to prop that up with. Just a second. This old rotten board should hold it up. Pretty clean under here. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Don't really want to go underneath it. This gives us a little look. So that's the transmission. It's supposed to have reverse and stuff, but none of those levers are really hooked up. There's a gas tank to something. Huh. See how the oil looks in this. That's tight. I don't really want to be under this without it secured. So there's two chains on both sides. I was watching online, if you pull this lever, this locks it in. Oh, there's the shifter. It's just not hooked up. This must go in there. That's not, doesn't look very factory. Here's the old belt. John Deere. There's battery cables. I don't know, I was thinking about putting one of those like V-twin Predator motors in here or something. There, that's neutral. It was in gear before, that's probably why it was so hard to move. Yeah. I bet you she'll roll a lot easier now in neutral. Hopefully that gearbox is still good. There's neutral. There's forward. There's reverse. Seems good. So it should be a fun project. If nothing else, I'll make it a trailer for my quad. Just, it's really disappointing that it doesn't have any of the hydraulic stuff. And that stuff's super, super expensive for these. Need to figure out, maybe I can make something. All right, thanks for watching. I don't know when I'll get back to this project. Hopefully it'll roll a lot easier now that it's not in gear. I gotta do some research online to see what kind of motors people repower these with. Leave me a comment down below on what you think I should do with it. Should I just chop it off and make it a trailer, or should I try to fix it? Probably make a really good utility trailer. I mean, I only got $100 into it. So, let me know.